Hello students, today I am going to post a small video on oxidation and reduction reactions. Some students of grade 10 had demanded that they could not understand redox reaction and I should explain it to them. For that reason I am uploading this video. So before moving on to redox reaction, we should first understand what is oxidation and reduction reactions. Okay, well, now, there are two ways of describing oxidation and reduction reactions. First, in terms of loss or gain of oxygen or hydrogen. Okay, so from any compound, if oxygen is lost or oxygen is gained in any reaction, or if there is a loss of hydrogen or gain of hydrogen. So in terms of this, we can describe oxidation and reduction reactions. And the second way of describing oxidation and reduction reaction is in terms of loss or gain of electrons. So I will be explaining both the ways to you. Okay, so first let us go to oxidation reaction. Right now, when we are talking about oxidation reaction in terms of loss or gain of hydrogen or oxygen, so addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen from anything is called as its oxidation. Okay, so I'll give you a few examples of oxidation reaction. Okay, so now let us talk about oxidation reaction. Oxidation reactions. Okay, now in oxidation reaction, let us first talk about the addition of oxygen. Right now, the very first example is burning of carbon. Okay, now when we are talking about carbon, you know coal is carbon, nothing but carbon. So when we use coal or coke and we burn it, now that burning is basically addition of oxygen to that particular substance. So what happens when you are burning carbon in oxygen? Okay, so you are burning carbon. So burning means reaction with oxygen. So when carbon is burned, it forms carbon dioxide. So here we see that carbon is being oxidized. Okay, it is oxidation of carbon is taking place. Okay, and similarly, let us talk about burning of magnesium ribbon. So when magnesium ribbon is burned, magnesium oxide is formed. Okay, so we can write this reaction like magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Okay, now here what we are seeing, we see that magnesium is getting oxidized. Again we are talking about oxidation. Okay, so always remember, oxidation or reduction happens to the reactants. So if I ask you which substance is oxidized, so you will never say carbon dioxide. No, carbon dioxide is not oxidized. What is oxidized? Actually carbon is oxidized. Okay, so carbon is oxidized because oxygen is added to carbon and it forms carbon dioxide. Similarly, when we are talking about this reaction, we will say that magnesium, see, you can see this. So we will say that magnesium is oxidized. Okay, we will never say that magnesium oxide is oxidized. Always remember, reactants are oxidized or reduced. It is never the product. Okay, so this is again a reaction of addition of oxygen. So all the combustion reactions are basically oxidation. Right?